haven't done a video today, so I thought I'll just do some small thing. I'm sitting here in the swinging seat while the scones are in the oven. I thought I'd do maybe some little sketches of the oxeye daisies. I'm just going to show you them briefly. I hope you can see them now. Can you see? All the daisies there. Maisie's there as well. I don't know if you can see her. She's half hidden behind the pole there. Anyway, I'm not going to throw Maisie, I don't think, but I am going to have a shot at the daisies. Okay, I can just about see them from here. And these are my pens that I got from Sharon. Thanks, Sharon. So I'm just going to, best I can, find a few to observe and draw from here. There's one that's shining over at me here. And it's partially kind of hiding another one. Now it's a little bit windy, so they're moving about a bit, but it's okay. I'm kind of half inclined to try to find some sort of yellow for the centre. Might be that I need to use the orange. And let's see what else is available here. It's mostly greens that I've got here, I think. You'd never know, that one might be a bit yellowish. Let's see. Yeah, it kind of works for the bit where the yellow is meeting the white of the flower anyway. And the other one over here. Maybe along with this. And what about this fluorescent yellow as well? Sure, why not? It's kind of fluorescent green more, but beggars can't be choosers, as they say. That's also nearly gone. Anyway, there we are. That's a bit of an attempt at those two. Right, go for a slightly different green for the ones. The next ones I'm going to do. Which ones? Well, I might as well continue and just carry on down the page and down the flowers. As I say now, there's a lot of, they're blustering around, some of them, but some of them are fairly static. This one here is quite static. And there's so many petals on them that some of them are almost square looking. And then there's a stem shooting up. Every so often there's a kind of shooting up stem with a small one that's just about to burst open. I wonder if it makes it really unappealing when you can't actually see the flowers themselves, because they're really the inspiration is the flowers, of course. And there's one tilted on its side here. They've all got their own slightly quirky variation, like each. Some of them are quite small, you know, even although they're in full bloom. And then there's other ones like this one here that's perfectly symmetrical, staring out at me. And it's quite big. Trying to locate the shape of the triangles of space between the petals. And then I might go for the, I think this is very similar, this colour, to the one I was already using, but it's just fraction lighter in tone, so maybe it's going to work for the centre of the daisy again. I could try the other orange as well, couldn't I? You know what? I don't think it wants to be tried, that one. So I'm just going to continue with the combo that I used for the other ones. So that's the center, yeah. And then there's another one. There's there's some of them are because I haven't really staked them at all. Some of them are very close to the ground, and some of them manage to kind of lodge themselves into the fence, and they're hovering way above the others. A few like that. This one I'm going to go back. I'm going to revisit this one with some of this colour, because I like this colour pen, and I also wanted to distinguish a bit more the way the petals are here. They're kind of overlapping and things. Oh, bless me. And again. There we are. You know, I sometimes find a voice coming into my head as I'm working that says, you know, what are you doing this for? This is nothing. But it's not nothing, you know. It's not nothing, actually. I might feel like it's not enough, you know. But I think it's good. It's good to do something and stop it, Maisie. Oh, I need to get my scones, actually. Maybe she's telling me scones are burning. And also, maybe that train of thought didn't need to be followed. It was something about showing up is worthwhile, I reckon. Even if it's in a very small way. And you're making it possible for me to show up, because I like to try and maintain my videos. Maisie wants to go for a walk as well. That'll be partly her carry-on. But I don't want burnt scones. And I'm also going to read a bit of a book I bought at the book festival yesterday, while the sun is still, well, it's gone behind it's gone behind the garden shed, but it's still bright enough to read. And I'm going to have a nice cup of tea and read my book, and then head for a WALK with Maisie into the field. Right, I better rescue the scones now, because there's nothing worse than burnt scones. Well, there probably is things worse than it, but you know what I mean. Excuse me. Alright, so there are my little daisies. And there they are. And there's my little Maisie. Best garden. She looks a picture there, doesn't she? You're the best garden, Maisie. Okay, there are the daisies. And I'm showing off all my carry-on in the garden. And here are my thanks for being here. It's good to see you. Alright, bye.